Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to install application for your headphones REALME T310 using your Android device. You have to start by open Play Store and now go to search. Click on search line and write REALME. Now search and you should install this application. Now open it, agree and continue. Now choose your location and then click next. Got it. Pair device, agree and continue. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.